Hello everybody, I am back for Mini Kit Monday using this absolutely gorgeous cocoa vanilla set of papers. I have a couple goodies in this kit that are not cocoa vanilla. I've got these Bella Boulevard beautiful little hearts in here. I've got these little pink pearls from IR and I don't know what that is, but they're cute. And is that it? That might, oh, and then my thickers are thickers. They're not from cocoa vanilla either. So I'll be figuring out, yeah, don't really know what my title is. I'll be working on that. I have the regular thickers. I have the, stickers. I have the clear stickers. And I have bits left of both embellishment packs. So, excuse me. I created this kit when I had first got this cocoa vanilla collection in, and then I couldn't keep my hands off of it. I literally kept using it for everything. So I did have the entire collection pack, which had all the papers times 2. Now I am down to 5 papers, which is good because I'm using up the collection, but I'm like, yikes, I have to start using it for Mini Kit Monday. Yeek. So I am going to use this background piece. I think it is absolutely stunning. Now, the only thing I'm trying to figure out is I kind of feel like backing it. I love this sweet yellow paper. I'm thinking that one. I mean, I've already used a lot of this one, so don't really want to bring that in. I also have wood grain, which offsets beautifully the bright colors, but I might want to use the wood grain for a full background. So I think for these pictures, I'm going to use that really nice yellow with the sweet little flowers on it. Let's see. The yellow one is called Fun in the Sun, and the rainbow sheet is called Bright Side. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I like the offset rainbow, so when I do trim it, it'll be off on that side as well. Not a big deal. So now these pictures, this is my son. Here, I can bring it up closer. This is my son, and the pictures weren't that great. It's like there was something hazy over the camera lens of whoever took them, but I love it. So this is my son, and he's on the beach in Florida, and he was a high school quarterback back in the day and all that kind of thing. And then he had 3 shoulder surgeries and all these things that happen with kind of like, you know, people that throw constantly. He always played baseball. So when I saw these pictures that he's throwing a ball again and he's enjoying it, I think that is awesome because for the longest time it hurt and now it does not. So that's awesome. So I think I'm going to have my photos kind of along the bottom, you know, so like where the rainbow would, I don't know, naturally endish, but I do like to see the little rainbow bits beneath. So I'm not going to make a total block because it's going to look kind of like they're just feet. Now what I think I should do is I'm going to go into all of my fabulous scraps. I've kept every single scrap that I could because, I mean, they're so pretty. And I'll mat the photo with 3 different ones because that's perfect for rainbow stuff, right? And I have a feeling this is going to be a super, super simple one, and I'm good with that. So I'm going to get a little traction, and then I'll be back in a jiffy. All right, so I have really good traction. I've matted my 3 photos. Nothing's attached down at all. Nothing at all. And I want to have my photos lower towards the left, kind of how the rainbow is going. I have a little cluster I've started up here with this die cut that reads On Vacation. And then one that reads Sunshine State of Mind, which is like a beach blanket. Works for the beach thing. When I was going through my die cuts, I was trying to grab out anything that I could do be super beach related. Like, you know, in theory, I could use this, but he is not wearing a he is wearing a one piece. Anywho, now I saved the bike because I know they rented sand bikes, so that's fun. Ice cream I can use for other summer stuff. So, I mean, I think there's some really cute little drink picture that they sent. It's not summer yet in these pictures, so I'm really going through trying to make sure I can grab anything that works. Now, we do have these sunglasses on, and my son is wearing sunglasses, but I have enough turquoise. So basically, I went through and was trying to grab all the stuff that would work. Now, I do have quite a few still of these amazing, the colors, these amazing flowers, but I'm trying to grab really, really beachy stuff. Great. I have my title, which is from both sets of alphas. I mean, this set is called Happy, and I'm telling you, I have 2 sets of them inside, and they're totally different dye lots. One's more yellow gold, and one is slightly more champagne. Kind of weird. And then I have these. These are all the exact same, and these are called Shine On, and they have a bit of an aqua or mint on the side, which I think is great. The other ones just have white. All right. So my title reads that release is everything, meaning the release when he releases the ball. It's kind of funny to see these pictures, you know, years after he plays, because and it's like, you know, it's just like how memory is. He's doing his exact release he did when he was a quarterback. So that's kind of cool when he releases the ball. Like in the event that you're not super into the football thing, which I'm not anymore, but I was. What are you going to do? So I'm going to work this title on, and I think I'm going to just have the title stack in a line going up this way. I think that would be great because this photo right here is the only one that I'm going to have popped up on some foam. Then I have palm trees on either side and a cute little pair of flip-flops that I'll pop up on a little bit of foam as well. So I have that I know I'm going to do. Now, I am digging on these little clear stickers, like the little swatches. So I'm going to do my best to have, let's see, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I do have 3, so I might find a way to put one on each photo of them. I mean, I have these with like multiples, but just looking at it. So I want to make sure to try to use a bunch of these. That's going to be my first go-to. And this can be my second because I usually reach for these first. We want to be fairsies. All right, so I'm going to get this stuff on here. I'm going to find places for my clear stickers. And then really, I know at that point, because this paper is so beautiful, it's like you don't even want to cover it much. I'm going to do some decorative bits, and I bet I'm going to be done. So let me do this, and we'll come back for the decorative bits together. Give me a second. All right, let's do some check-in time. I have my title all squished down, and it's sticking pretty well, thank goodness. My die cuts are stuck down. This little palm tree is popped up on a little bit of foam because it's up on this higher photo. These photos are flat. These little flip-flops are popped up on a little foam as well, and these are all flat. Lovely. This, of course, has dimension because they are foam thickers. And then in this cluster, this piece and this piece are popped up on foam. Oh, and beneath every one of the photos, as well as this cluster, I have some of those little paint swatchy things, like these. So I only have the one swatch left. Awesome. So, oh gosh, I love these little things so much. Ooh, I can get this little guy on. So this is seriously just the fun part where I'm just looking at it going, okay, now what else can I put on? Oh, I like that. Oh, I like this. Seriously, I put on one sticker and it looks like it's not on straight. Yeah, it's just those decorative bits that are so fun at the end. And I also kind of like more is more. You know, I like adding and adding. Okay, what's next? What else might look good? What else can I fit in? And I've told you guys before, when I'm scrapbooking, if it's themey, because these photos are quite themey, I always like to use the product that I have on hand that are like as themey as possible as well. You know, like palm trees. Like I can use flowers on anything. I could probably even get a bike on anything or good vibes or whatever, but like my stickers in paradise, vacay vibes, etc., they really want to go to something. So when I have the opportunity and I have the photos, I'm like, all right, what else can I put on that works for that? All right, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those clear stickers on, and that's awesome. The next thing I want to look at are these great Sunkissed puffies. And these are those kind of puffies that are so soft and pillowy. They are wonderful. I love the little drinky poos. Those are just like the die cuts. Those are super, super cute. So I wasn't really bringing in a lot of flowers on this. The little puffy hearts are super easy to use on everything. I don't really want to put the clouds. Can you believe, like, I'm on a struggle for which puffies to use? Like, it's unheard of. But I can pop in these cute little hearts here and there. They don't have to be perfectly straight for me to be happy with them. So it's kind of cluster, cluster, cluster. So we'll pop that by the title. That is so cute. So I have 3 there. That's great. The bike, once again, I'm going to use for these bike picture layout things I have. So am I happy with what I used on here? Because I'm not bringing in flowers. Yes, I am. All right, awesome. Next, we have these Bella Boulevard epoxy hearts. I think they are gorgeous and they match this collection incredibly well. I thought that was very nice of them. So I think this nice vibrant orange would be really good. And I'm not putting like tone on tone because I'm feeling some contrast today. Do I want to put that one or do I want to put, nah, there's enough green over there. I'm not really bringing in much of the red, come to think of it. I could bring in the red. I'm the boss of me, at least in scrapbooking. Okay, how about this little guy? And then the little pearly bits will finish that off. I need to grab some gold mist. I will get that and I'll be back in a minute. All right, so I have those little bits in there. I have my nice little epoxy, a puffy, and a shiny bit. I'm kind of feeling like this little shiny guy should go up here. And what I'm wondering, because, you know, this is a very important issue in life. Do I like the pink in the pink? And my answer is not really. Just because I have contrast going with everything else. So I'm going to bring a blue in. Yay! Okay. And I have the same kind of configuration over here, but now I want to straighten out that heart a little bit because the others are a little straighter. And I have this pink pearly bit. This is the thing, those final finishing touches. I mean, seriously, they are my favorite thing to do, but I can get faffing with them sometimes. I can. And the same thing down here. I love this little cluster. So for my next trick, I am going to grab my Jen Hadfield Gold Mist, which it has all the sparkly bits on the bottom. So I definitely want to get some of those goodies all mixed in. And I cannot get my hands on any more of this. It is finally out. I have 1 bottle in backup. But after this, it'll end. It's just kind of like the Heidi Swapp Gold Color Shine. It was like, once it is gone, it is gone. But I do like this one because I do like the larger splatty bits I get out of it. Because I am bringing in the gold with the gold of the title. So I think that's going to be really fun. Alrighty, let's pop some up here as well. A little bit smaller down in this corner because it's a much smaller embellishment cluster, but it does need some. Oh, I missed where I wanted it to go. I seriously cannot aim a splatty bit for the life of me. All right, so I have it there. Let me get a tiny bit over by this little guy so he's included. And then I'm pro splatty bits, guys. Okay, I am happy with that. I'm going to get this uploaded because I am filming this on the same day that it is due. But I am loving this Cocoa Vanilla Sunkissed collection. I think it's great. I loved bringing in some of the Bella Boulevard little shiny epoxies because it gives it that little woof that you need. And then these are just by American Crafts stickers. So that is what I have going. I hope you like what I came up with. I will have links down below for the other Mini Kit Monday ladies. You can go check out what they're creating today. Bye-bye, friends.